Hi, I'm Nilima, and today again we are going to learn a different type of chocolate, which is I have named as Choco Feast with peanut butter. Now, for this, you need some ingredients um, like dark chocolate and milk chocolate. I have mixed equal proportion of both the chocolates and melted here. And as I already told you how to melt your chocolates, when you have to melt it in microwave, remember that you have to just melt it for 30 seconds first, and then remove it from the microwave and check whether it has melted or not. Just stir it well with the spoon and keep stirring for 2-3 minutes. If you still feel that you have to melt again, just again put it back in the microwave and melt it for another 5 seconds, and then remove it from the microwave, because if you keep the chocolate more in microwave, it's going to burn. So like this, you have to first 30 seconds is allowed. After that, every 5 seconds you have to remove and stir. Okay, so let's begin. This is the chocolate we are going to use. Then we will be using some peanut butter. I have taken this peanut butter here. I'm not promoting any brand, so I'm not showing you the which brand I'm using it. Any peanut butter will be fine. So this is the peanut butter, and then we will be needing some fresh cream and some silicone molds, which I am using as the cupcake molds. Okay, so let's begin with the first step, where we are going to put the chocolate in the mold and keep it in the fridge. So what you have to do is just add some chocolate to the mold, and as it is called as feast, so you have to cover the full mold with the chocolate. I hope you can see. I'm just rolling around the mold, trying to cover all the walls of this mold. And it is okay if you are left with some chocolate on the in the bottom, because as it is, if the mold is stronger, it can hold more things inside. And this we are going to fill it up with different things. So here it is, like this you have to do with all the other three also. I am checking just 3 molds. You can take as many as per your chocolate batter. So just do it fast before the chocolate starts becoming hard. Try to take a nice shape cupcake mold, and try to bring all the batter which is left inside in the center, so that it is evenly distributed. Okay, and the third one also. I'm taking 3 so that I can show you 3 different ways of using it. Okay, so I'll just move it like this. I hope you have liked all my other videos of Ferrero Rocher and truffle. Okay, so this is done, and I'm going to put it in the fridge and come back after some time. Okay, so I'm back. My chocolate molds they've settled and become hard, but I'm going to apply one more layer in this. And before that, I'm going to melt peanut butter and Amul butter, salted butter together in my microwave, and then come back to you. My peanut butter has melted, and I have to just mix it properly so that no lump is formed. Now I will add sugar, taking little at a time to make a smooth paste. Like this. As peanut butter is already little salted, and the butter which I have added also has salt, so I'm adding sugar to it to make it a little smoother paste. So little more is needed, and here it is. Now to this I will be adding little bit of cream, very little of cream. Cream is, I think I added little extra butter. Very little cream I will add so that it becomes little soft, and when you put it in your mouth it melts. So here I have filled up I have mixed up the cream with my peanut butter, and now we are going to fill it with this in the cups. But we also need one more thing. I have tried, some people use biscuits, but I am trying to use cookies, cookie cakes. So let's put it inside and then add into this. So let's start. First, fill up your cupcakes with peanut butter paste. You can always do it with a nice piping bag. Fill the butter in piping bag, and then you can always put it. I'm doing it a little faster. Then add your cupcakes, the cake cookies inside this. You can add biscuits, you can add anything you like, dry fruits, fresh fruits. So we are going to fill up this with the melted chocolate. As you know, the weather is very cold nowadays, so the chocolate is giving little trouble. It's just getting stiffened. I have to melt it again and again. Okay, I have decorated with some sugary sprinkles, which you get in the market very easily. So we will just put it, I think it is still in a liquid state. I will just show you how I have done it. Take little sprinkles and put it on top of the chocolate. I've taken some silver balls also. So now this is done, and we are going to put it in the fridge and freeze. My chocolate is ready. We will just remove it from the mold. Be very careful. Here it comes. So this is the chocolate. And for packing this, you need a bigger sheet. The smaller sheets won't help. So what we will do is just remove the extra chocolates from the side. It's going to look like this. And we will just turn it upside down and fold. It's going to look like this. This one single chocolate is enough for one person to eat as a feast. So this is the chocolate, it's ready, and let's see how it is from inside. If you are eating on the spot and you're not going to pack it, then it is not required to cut the sides. So let's take a bite. I'm going to cut it with my knife because biting is not my cup of tea. Such a big chocolate. Yeah. So this is how it is from inside. The peanut butter and the cake you can see. So this is a feast. You can add some dry fruits, or you can add some fresh fruits if it is in a party at your house, or anything, whatever you like. You can add some cream, you can add some whipped coffee, anything. So this is called the cupcake feast. Hope you enjoyed the video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.